are Emma, Sean, Rex and Maggie. Join us as we explore the UK and beyond in our old motorhome Rennie. So we have driven down the road about 40 minutes. We're now in England, back in England. And today I'm doing something on my own. We are parked up in a car park at Bamber Castle. So I'm going to head it off there this afternoon and have a little wander around. We're actually staying in the motorhome spots tonight. We've got one booked, but somebody's in our spot at the moment, so we'll move over there later on. We did manage to get a spot at the back of the car park. There's still a few free. We're just about in one space, so hopefully we won't get a ticket. It's quite expensive. It's like, for the whole afternoon it's like £10 to park, and then we've paid £12 to stay overnight from 6 till 8 AM. So we've either got to get up early or put some more money on the meter first thing in the morning. So anyway, so I think Sean's going to take the dogs out for a little wander in the grounds and maybe into the village, while I go and have a look around the castle and check out the Last Kingdom exhibition. We've both watched the Netflix series and we absolutely loved it, so this was a must to do. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Built on top of a black crag of volcanic rock, the original fort may have been the capital of the Kingdom of Bamburgh from the year 420. In and around the year 600, it was passed to the wife of Ethelfrith, whose name was Bebba, and that's how the early name of Bamburgh was derived. This fort was destroyed by the Vikings in the year 993, and a new castle was built in 1095 by the Normans. Bamber Castle has 3,000 years of incredible history to explore and gives you incredible views over the beautiful beach and coastline, the Farne Islands and Holy Island. In the castle, there are new, immersive and interactive interpretations that bring to life the people and sagas of the world-famous castle. You can uncover tales of the Last Kingdom, Vikings, knights and dragons, and fall in love with legends. Also not to be missed is the Armstrong and Aviation Artefacts Museum, with exhibits around the Victorian industrialist William Armstrong and Armstrong Whitworth, the manufacturing company he founded. Displays include engines, artillery and weaponry, and aviation artefacts from 2 world wars. There is also a brand new exhibition with costumes and props from the Netflix series The Last Kingdom. Located in the Castle King's Hall on the very footprint of Bamburgh's medieval banqueting hall, where the real Uhtred could have feasted. You can even sit on the Wessex throne. Bamber Castle has been on my list of places to visit for a while, and in my opinion well worth the £15.50 entrance fee. Really cool inside. I didn't film all of it because they don't like you to film all of it, and if I show it all on here, it'll be worth, not worth you coming. So yeah, so I've come outside again. It's pretty busy, but guess who I've just spotted? Let's see if you can see them. Little dot around there. That's Sean, Rex and Maggie. What an amazing beach.
So while Emma is having a wander around the castle, I've come down to the beach with noisy boy Rex over here, shush, to play ball. Right, I think it's time you two went in for a dip. So we'll catch you in a bit.
Hello, where you been on the beach? I could see you, I could hear you. I could hear you.
Good you.
Yeah, barking.
Did you hear him? He didn't bark that much.
Yeah, he barked twice though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard him.
Did you?
I know that bark anywhere. You look like you're having fun.
Yeah, he was. They were having
Oh, this is nice grass as well, isn't it, Rex? This nice. Oh, well, look at the state of you. You look like you've had a lot of fun with me. Hey, hey.
Yeah. Did you enjoy your walk?
Yeah, it was very good.
Good.
Very, very good.
Cool.
I think you would have liked it actually.
Would I?
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you about that later.
You can do.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go in next time.
Maybe you go in next time. Cool. I got you a present actually.
Okay. No, it's not for you, Maggie.
I got you a present.
Oh yeah, what did you get me?
Fridge magnet.
Arsling and proud.
With the sun setting on not only a beautiful day, but a wonderful 8-week trip, it was time to get on the road and start our journey south, back to home in Dorset.
are in Chesterfield, just outside Chesterfield. We're in the car park of the Arkwright Arms. We stayed here last night as a little pub stop. Had a really nice vegetarian burger and a couple of beers, which we had quite a long day yesterday. It's quite a long day driving, so it was called for, let's put it that way. So we are heading home today, so next stop home. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the series. We're going to head home, get Rennie sorted out, a few little jobs, and then we're heading to Germany in the autumn. So please hit like, subscribe, ding the bell so you don't miss any of our German trips, because we're going to some epic places. And yeah, we will catch you on the next video.
Okay, so this hasn't been the journey we wanted to get home. The traffic, it's been horrendous. We are, about 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Yeah, we're about 6 hours in on today, and we're still a couple of hours from home. But actually, the fact that the traffic was really bad has actually helped us, because Rennie decided that he wanted to put the glow plug lights back on. Now, those that watched our Europe videos from last autumn will realise that the glow plug lights came on, and we had to basically take it to a garage and get it checked out before we came home from France. The lights came on, and actually this time we lost power, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. He wouldn't drive up hills, and I was struggling. Yeah, there was no power at all, and I struggled to get over 45-50 miles an hour.
Yeah, so we assume it went into some kind of limp mode. So especially, and we're a bit cheesed off because we've just spent best part of 1,500 quid getting the glow plugs sorted out. I don't know if anyway, one of them was seized and we had a load of drama with that. So anyway, so we pulled into Fleet with the idea that we were going to call the RAC, and Sean's restarted the engine and the lights have gone off and the turbo is now working, so it sounds like we have power back.
It seems to be, yeah, it sounds like it's normal. Obviously we haven't been driving on the motorway yet, but it seems as though the turbo is kicking in now, so yeah. So we have a dilemma, because we can't call the RAC because there's absolutely nothing. So it's not broken.
It's not broken. So it looks like we're going to have to continue. And if
they come on again, we'll just have to pull into Winchester or somewhere like that, and then we'll have to call the RAC.
Yeah. So unfortunately, that just means if it does happen again, we'll be limping down the motorway at 45, which is not the safest.
So if you're behind us, we apologise now.
Yeah. No, we wanted. It's really hot as well.
Really
the dogs are hot. We're really hot and sweaty. All we want to do is get home. So it's not been the best day, has it? No. Anyway, so we'll let you know when we get home, and
fingers crossed, we'll let you know when we get home.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see you later.
Bye.